All right. We are live broadcasting here. Welcome. Let me know when you get in. I'm going to see if I can figure out what's going on with Bitcoin and Litecoin, Ethereum. See what's happening. Da-da-da. There we go. Let me know when you get in. Hello. Hello. Thanos, how's it going? I took Greek for, thank you, buddy. Took Greek for 6 semesters, man. Koine Greek. Glad you're in the house, Mr. I Guy. How's it going, Ron? You doing all right, buddy? Let me know if video and audio is good. I'm not putting my microphone right in front of me. Let me know. Let me know if it works. Does it work here? I mean, it's to the side, kind of facing me. Does that work okay? Give me some feedback there. I just don't like it right in front of my face. Thanos, I took Greek at a Bible college. I took biblical Greek, but I live in Maryville, Missouri. So what's up? What's up, Merle? This is for this. I was gonna make a video, and I just thought I'll just get the live information out there to you guys, chat with you, answer your questions if you've got them. We've got another thing going. You like it better in front of me? Hey, Eric. So use complete sentences for me, guys. Better is the microphone. I mean, obviously it'll be better in front of me, but is it okay if I put it off to the side, or would you like it? Do you like it in front of my face, so you don't have to look at me? Hey, bro, how's it going, buddy? Hey, Tom. Okay. No to the side. No, like, don't put it on the side, or no, it's not better on the side. I need a complete sentence. Better to the side. All right, fantastic. There we go. That's what I want to know. All right, excellent. I've been having it to the side, so there we go. All right, both are okay. All right, well, I like it to the side. That way I don't have to have it right in front of my face and looking. Okay, we are looking at Bitcoin here. I'm on the 2-minute chart, guys. This thing, I mean, it could just do that. Okay, so you got to be aware of that. I've been waiting for, I've been kind of watching out for that all day. Seeing what it's going to do. So we're going to kind of zoom out here and take a peek at what the count could be, okay? And then we'll zoom back in, see if it's finished or not, okay? So when I'm trying to figure out a count, the very first and easy thing we want to do is throw our retracement fibs up there, guys. So let's throw our retracement fibs, and I'll just show you my process for working a count through. I haven't worked this count through at all. Guys, I'll be honest with you, I've been sleeping all day. I've been catching up on my sleep. I've been trading and sleeping. I've got a Aussie dollar trade working right now. Oh man, it's retracing on me a little bit. That's kind of a bummer. Yeah, I'm shorting Australian dollar right now. I've been working on that today. I've been working on this Bitcoin short and just kind of sleeping. I've been needed it so bad, and so I'm not working. And we got snow here everywhere. Thanks, buddy. And so I've just been kind of. Just chilling. So kind of waking up every so often, checking the chart, checking in on Telegram, and then so if I've been absent for a little while, I'm slow to answer questions. That's what's been going on. I can't tell you what. It's been nice to some degree, but anyway. All right. Let's see. So anyway, we're going to do a retrace here. And then we got the 786 right there. That's what we came and tagged. Okay. So we came and tagged the 786, and the question is that finished or not? It's close to finished. It looks like it has a finished look to it to some degree, guys. It is making kind of a, you might make the case it's making kind of a wedge shape, guys, but That's not a wedge, okay? Just want you to understand that's not a wedge. A wedge needs to have 3. All right, guys, my OBS crashed. Sorry about that. Let's see what we got here. There we go. I'm back. I am back. How we doing? Somehow my OBS crashed. See what we got here. There we go. I'm back. I am back. Okay. Back in business. All right. So we have hit the 786 retrace. Whoa, what's going on? There we go. Weird. Okay, that's the first thing we do. Okay, second thing is I want to see if there's any confluence here with the fibs, and I've been doing this for a while now. So here's, you got this wave to that wave there. It's really hard to know exactly where we're putting the fibs, and I've been doing this as a flat right here in the middle. So we're going to keep doing it as a flat there. Kind of hit the 1276 extension as well. So we've got a WXY hitting the 1276. The question is, are we finished with that? Is it done? Is it complete? Now, so with that being said, we've got a good contender here for a WXY right here. And so let's see if we can count it as a WXY. I really have a hard time with this particular wave right there. Actually, I'm going to put the W back here. There we go. Put the X there and the Y. So let's zoom in and see if we can figure out a count here. It's really critical that we have this count. We understand this count. Okay, it's quite critical. So let's see if we can figure it out here. Let me check. Okay, we're doing good on the Aussie trade. All right. Let's see here. I'm calling this an right here, I'm calling that an expanded flat. So that's an X wave there. Calling that a W wave. So that's some kind of a 3 wave. I'm just going to count it like a 3 wave. Got a 3 wave. Okay, and now we've got a boom, 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 3 wave. It looks like an ABC of some kind. So I would assume we would count this as something like a 5, 3, 5. But I don't know how to count this as 5. This could be a 3, 3, 3 as well. So let's do this. So the fibs right here, guys. We came to the 786. We could come down here to 6710 if this is a 1-to-1. Okay. Then if I count this wave, that made a higher high. Zoom in here to the 1 hour. My problem here, guys, is that this wave right here, I'm assuming that's like a 5 wave, okay? This right here made a higher high than that by just barely any, but it took it out. So I can't count this as like a 1-2 like that of this particular wave, and so I actually have to have my 1-2 right here, okay? So then I have. And then I have this 3, 4, 5 right there. There's 5 waves in there, guys. So if you look here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and then we've got this flat right there. So that's like that big thing is like a big 1-2 right there. The way I'm looking at it, unless it's like a 5, a 3, and now we need a 5 wave to the downside. So let's assume we just need a 5 wave to the downside to complete this, okay? So if that's the case, if we just need a 5 wave, we're looking at an extension like this. Get this old extension off of there. It's calling for lower, okay? Because we haven't hit the impulsive. Well, actually, no. It hit the 1276. It didn't have to go lower, actually. But what would we count? How would we count this stinking wave right there? Is that 1, 2? See, I can't be a 1, 2, 1, 2 because this broke this high. So that's a 3 wave to the downside, 3 wave up, and then we've got, what is this crap? It's just, to be honest with you guys, it's just a hodgepodge of, I don't even know what it all is. There's nothing clear in the wave structures.
I can't find it.
I'm trying hard for you. If I just look at this particular wave right here to see if I can dig out 5 waves, I don't have 5 waves in that guy. So whenever I don't know, guys, like right now, I try to dig out what I do know, and what I do know is that I don't see 5 completed waves. I've got a 1, 2, 3. We did hit an impulse level. There's no doubt about that. If I throw the fibs on that guy right there, I mean, we came down to the 3618. You might say that there is probably 5 waves in here somewhere, and this is A, B. So there's a chance it's finished. They always hide the endings, right? So it's hard to tell. Hard to tell, guys. No doubt about it. This is Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has been clear in the past. It is not this whole wave structure has not been clear. Okay, I'll tell you what, it has not been clear. This last wave structure, that acts like a 5 wave 3. I'm gonna call that 1, 2 right there. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do there. That doesn't break the high there enough to bother me. So we're gonna call that 1, 2. We're going to call this 3. That works perfectly, guys. That works beautifully, actually. So the way I'm going to... My final answer. I'm going to call that a 1 wave, a 2 wave. This is 3. I don't think 3 is finished, though, guys. We're going to get a 4 wave back up, and then we're going to get a 5 wave down. I think that's what we need to finish it out, guys. And then what we would have is a 5, 3, 5 correction, and that 5, 3, 5 would fit in the grand scheme of things. Delete that, dude. This would have to be a WXY on this part, right? On this X wave, this would have to be W, X, and then Y, like that, and that would be 3, 3, 3, just like that. That's my final answer. That's my final count for now until we break this low. If we break this low, I'm going to invalidate that crap and then try again somehow. Sorry, but this is just a bunch of baloney for sure. So if we're going to get a move to the upside, guys, I'm still looking for another hit to the downside. Let me show you Litecoin. See if we can get some confluence here, guys. Let me just do a quick little... Okay, Litecoin seems to be making some kind of a diagonal, maybe, but maybe not. See, the diagonal is kind of broken, to be honest with you, in my opinion. Looks just corrective to me. Guys, this looks like it's just basically kind of fizzling out. It's going to roll over. Most likely that's the way it's going to play. I think this is going to roll over and make another low. Where would Litecoin's low be if it does that? That's my take right now. I haven't cleaned my chart up much. Okay, I took the extension off of that wave. Third wave. This is the third wave, I would say, guys. If I had to count it, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How would I subcount that guy? 1, 2, 3. He's going to come down and hit 38.25. We'll get a retrace to 4 maybe, and then 5. Done. That kind of correlates with the moves that I saw in Bitcoin to some degree. This would be 1, 2. Fibs work out on that guy. 1. Yeah, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that works. So we're in the middle of making the 4th wave of the 3rd right now. And then we'll come down for a 5th wave. That's my best guess there, guys, for Litecoin. So I think we've got another hit to the low. Then we're going to get a 4th wave and then another one down to the downside. I think that's the way it's going to play out. So this isn't finished here, guys. Not finished. This was not a leading diagonal, which this could be telling the story, guys. Litecoin could be telling the story. Bitcoin, that might not be a leading diagonal either, guys. If Litecoin, which means we might be making some lower lows. And if that's the case, it might make more sense of the structure. If we start looking at this structure as an impulse wave instead of a corrective wave, let me explore that for a minute. And I'm sorry I'm ignoring the chat, guys, but I'm just kind of doing some TA for you here just to see if I can make sense of the structure. I don't want you guys to get in longs yet necessarily too quickly, because I do think we've got more low side to go. If we get a bounce, it'll be a small bounce. I think. I don't know. Based on what I'm showing you, what I'm seeing. So if I count this as some kind of a 5-wave impulse, guys, then I've got a pullback here, and then I've got a 1-2. So this would be a 1-2, 1-2, and then we're making the third wave of that 1-2, 1-2 right now. So this is a 1-2. We haven't even finished the third wave, guys. If this is some kind of an impulse wave instead, which it has trouble measuring as an impulse, but guys, I'll be honest with you, I had trouble with this as an impulse wave, and for a lot of reasons, okay? So I'm just going to ignore some Elliott wave rules right now and say the market can do whatever it wants to do. So it looks like we might, if this is an impulse wave, 1-2, 1-2, we've got some deeper correction to go, guys. We got 1, 2, 3 probably come on down here, 4, 5. I guess it's down to $5,000. And what that would mean, guys, is that this was our 3-wave X wave. And what that would be is we would have our 5, 3, 5. There's a really tiny B there. 5, 3, 5 of our Z wave. If we zoom out, I'm still of the opinion we've got a W, X, Y, X, Z, and that's going to finish out down here at $5,000. And that's confluent right here with this range here, and that would give us our 3-wave move here in Z as a potential. So, guys, I want you to be aware of that, guys. Just because we've been trying to plan for a move to the upside, it doesn't mean we're going to get it. Remember this wave right here? Y'all, you got to remember this wave right here. You got to remember our experience here. We were planning for an upside move here. We were planning for some kind of a move up to $9,000 or $10,000 range. We were planning on or some kind of retrace, a 3-wave retrace up here. I think at least to 9,000. We didn't make it, and it didn't come. Okay. This is just kind of came on down methodically, just really, really slow. It would sideways pump and then go down. So that's kind of what we're doing. We had a lot of flats in here, guys. We had a lot of, shenanigans in here. That's exactly the same kind of feel, guys, that I'm getting from up here. And to be honest with you, look at the structure. Just comparing the wave structure here. Look at that wave structure. Compared to this wave structure, guys. Look at it. It's almost identical, okay? And then we had this move down. We did get a move up, and then it just started coming down and down and down. So I want to be careful that we don't get that again, okay? I don't, even though I'm expecting a bounce right where we are, I'm expecting a bounce. We did not, the buyers didn't zoom in here, guys. Look here. Buyers zoomed in right here. You see that? Now, this one right here, there was some time. There was 8 times 4. There's a full day where there was some time in here. But it was making a clear structure that we could see there before the buyers zoomed in here. But we're just not, we're going to have to wait and see what kind of structure we get here. But I'm just going to kind of wait for now. I don't see the buyers just flooding in yet. Want to wait and see. We got an hour till this 8-hour close. We'll have to wait and see what we get. So personally, now we did get just kind of comparing this bottom here when the buyers came in. We haven't gotten another hit to the low like we did here. So we'll see. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Bob Becker, I know you did not do that. I know you didn't do that. I warned you guys. Now, I'm still looking for my long. I still want to see a long. I would still like to see a three-wave move that looks more like this, guys. Something like that before we go on down. I would like to see that. That would be nice. Okay, we get a nice up move, and then we short the top and come on down. Be really good. But you got to remember, market makers, the structures that are made are never in our favor, guys. They never kind of come in a way that are easy for us to interpret. So just remember that, guys. Remember, okay? All right. What's up, Dinosaur Muscle Cars? How's it going? V for blockchain. What's up? Daily bullish divergence. Next ball support 65. Yep, big at 61.50 potentially. Yes, sir. Anthony Hardy, 32 target for Litecoin looking likely. Let's check that out and see what you think. 32. Yeah, I mean, right now, just for my third wave, I've got 38 just to finish the third wave. So 34 for sure. That 3618's potential for sure. So let's zoom out here and see. Run the fibs. Litecoin might be telling the story, guys. That's what I'm telling you. I'm going to run a 1-to-1 extension right here and see what we get. 1-to-1 is 35.57, guys. And then 127 is $27 there for Litecoin. Oh, the Aussie setup. I can. C wants to know about my Aussie dollar setup. I can give you a quick why I entered this trade. So you can see where I entered. I entered at the break of that line right there to the downside. So you can kind of see where I entered. I entered at the break here of this area. It looked like we had some we had a reversal pattern up here. I had a cross of my MA here and on the 15-minute and a pullback to retouch it. So it looked like a good reversal. Once we got another push up and then another move down, it looked like a good short-term scalpy trade. I'm trading 1.3 lots, so that's $13 per pip. I'm only expecting to get about 10 to 15 pips out of this guy, so it's just a little, you see my trend line down here. I'm expecting it to retest this trend line and possibly make its way back up. We do have Aussie news tonight at 6:30 my time, which is an hour and a half. It's an hour and a half from now. So chances are Aussie news is gonna propel this another direction. We also have NZD news as well, which could propel this back to the upside or continuation to the downside. So anyway, I'm just trading this down to my trend line. I'm going to take profit and then we go from there. So that's my that was the trade for this one. Just a small trade there, about 13-14 pips. So we've already hit about 13 pips. I'd like to see 14 or 15. We'll see if we get them. If not, it's no big deal. But that's the trade there. Add. That was just a simple, guys, break of a level. That's all that was. This was a 3-wave move to the upside. I got a 1-2 wave and then a 1-2 wave. So I said I got a good chance for a third wave to come down through the fibs on this move. It looks fairly impulsive. So yeah, we are at an impulsive state there. So chances are we might get a good 5 waves to the downside. So that's yeah. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, let's see. All right.
And it'll be with stuff that I love, so it'll be different.
All right, so back to Bitcoin here. Let's look at this last wave here. If guys, if the interpretation, just to review what I've shared, if this wave is actually more of an impulse wave right here, actually it would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, 3-wave pullback. Then we've got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. That would just be a 1, 2, 3 wave. It had 4 and 5. Guys, this is going down to the 5,000 region, if that's correct. If that interpretation of those waves are proper. Okay, so understand that, guys. So that's why I haven't exited my short yet. I'm still in my short personally, and I announced that today in the Telegram group, and also said that you guys should take profit wherever you're comfortable. I have a high tolerance for risk, and I tend to stay longer in trades than most. I've just learned to do that over the years because eventually the trade is going to pay out. I got in this trade to the south early. I got in a little bit early. I actually got in. I'll show you. I mean, guys, I'll always be honest with you, but I got in right about here. Where did I get in? Right in there. On these candles right there. I got into that action. I waited this out and let it come back down. And it didn't pay out until today or yesterday. So I've had to wait for this thing all this time to pay out. So it's finally paying out. I think it's going to keep on paying out. But if you zoom out, guys, I mean, that entry isn't horrible. If you zoom out, the entry's not bad at all. It hit, especially if you keep on coming down here. It was a fine trade for me. So anyway, but I held on to it and I waited through all the chop because I read the waves as we were making these, and I could tell we were not going up, we were going down, so I held the trade. So, do I have faith in LTC? I have stepped away from LTC for a little while, Bob. I'll be honest with you. I've stepped away from it because the chart hasn't, it's not moving very well to the upside. Now, I'm thinking that if we get down here again to these low numbers, we might have another big rally again, and I think I'll do some trading in LTC. But I've also done a little bit more margin trading, and so I personally can't trade margin with LTC. So I've been trading Ethereum and Bitcoin more often than I trade LTC. But LTC is still my first love, and I'm hoping that LTC, my hope has always been that LTC would be one of the first use cases, that we would actually have, it would be one of the first to be actually used on the market, maybe on Amazon or something like that, because it's a faster transaction rate. But, who knows? I'm not a big fundamental guy, though, guys. So it was just my understanding of what LTC was designed for quicker transaction speeds, but to be just like Bitcoin. And so that made sense to me to invest early on in Litecoin. And so I liked Litecoin, and I stayed in, for a long time. But, man, the way price action's moving on the chart, I don't like it. I don't like it at all right now. Everything is very, very bearish. And so we have to be very, very careful, guys. Be very, very careful. We're still speculators. We're still speculating in this market. That's why I'm not investing. I'm not one who hodls a bunch of coins. Okay, I'm just trading this market. And if there's a time where the chart tells me buy in and hold on, I will buy in and hold on. But I just realized, guys, my microphone was backwards. That should be a million times better. What I just did, that should be a million times better for you. Anyway, yeah, Bob, I haven't lost faith, but I just don't know anymore. I want some more confidence. I want confidence level to be built back up for me, and this chart right now is not doing it for me right now. So anyway, to answer your question there. $33 the floor for of all floors? I don't think so, Tim. If we go down to $5,000 yeah, it should sound better. I had the mic backwards, guys. Guys, if Bitcoin goes down to 5,000, Litecoin's gonna. I mean, you're gonna hit 20 again, or lower. Yeah, I don't know if Litecoin's dead, but it's just I'm nervous about it. Still nervous about it. Check Ethereum. My eye guy loves Ethereum. I've neglected it here in this live stream. Let me make sure I check it out here. I like the way Ethereum charts look and move, and so I tend to like the Ethereum chart a lot better, guys. It moves pretty good. So you can see that this move right here, that could be a 5-wave move, or it could be a 3-wave move there. That's hard to tell. Still a little re-examining of this wave right here. 3, 4, 5. If I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. There's the expanded flat right in there. That little guy right there. And there's 5 waves. 1, 2. Yeah, guys. This could be a 5-wave. That could be a 1, 2, 1, 2 right there. Guys, if that's a 1, 2, 1, 2, it's scary. It's going down. This came off. Actually, oh, this broke the low, guys. Ethereum broke the low. I wasn't expecting that. So there's 1, 2. We made it down here, guys, to the 1618, guys. We really did. I think there's more low. I think there are more lows to come, guys. Really. 1, 2. So here, let me just put a line across here for the 1618. Get rid of this fib. Get rid of this box. Blew through that target. 1, 2. I don't even think the 3rd wave is finished. This is in no man's land on the fibs. Looks like we need to come on down here to 125. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Okay. Another way to look at this. Wow. That's a 1, 2. That's a 1, 2. That's a 1, 2. That's crazy. We're kind of in no man's land on the fibs. See what the retrace fibs are looking like. Guys, 125 on Ethereum is probably going to be a nice finishing point for that. And then what we would have, guys, we would have another one of those expanded flats again, okay? Because it would come down here to the 1, 2, 3, 6 extension or retrace of this wave. And so good chance, guys, we get a move, and then there's our move to the upside. And so we get another expanded flat on our hands. So here we had an expanded flat here, 5-wave move, expanded flat here. What would that do to our count? Guys, I don't. I hope you don't mind me doing the count in front of you. I never have time or energy to prep the information. When I go full time, I will. But I think also it's good for your learning. See how I think about things. Welcome, 63 of you. Welcome. Glad y'all are here. Let's see here. Ethereum. If I count that as a 5-wave, I mean... several ways I can count this thing. Oh, that's the flat. Yeah, okay. Whew. Guys, this is caught. If I look at it as a 535, so if I look at this as the simple like an ABC, A, B, and then C. Guys, you know how low Ethereum wants to come? That's crazy. Let me put the log scale on it and see if that helps. Yeah, $99 to $80. If I do it in log scale. And then this move is 1, 2, 3, 106 is the next target for the end of this third wave. And this would be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth wave down to the... So that's if it's a 535. I don't know that I like it, but be prepared for it. That's crazy. I'll take a peek at XRP. I don't have as much experience on the XRP chart as I do these, but I'll be glad to look at it for sure. Thanks, Ad. Appreciate that feedback. If I interpret this how else can I interpret this? I got a 5-wave there. I got a flat there. Got 1, 2.
Sunday you said
1, 2, 3, 4. Need to finish the 5th wave here. So that would be a 5, 3, and a 5. And so that would be some kind of a 3-wave up here. 3-wave and then a 3-wave. So this could be finishing here as well. So if that would be the case, I just need to finish a 5-wave in there. So let's see if we can zoom in and count a 5-wave in there. I think I already did this, but so that would be 1, 2, or this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 125, guys, to even lower. 130, 118 maybe. Like Ethereum could make it down to 118, 125 to 118. Have to wait and see what kind of structure I get here to get some more clarity on it. 118 to 125, intermediate targets there for Ethereum. Hey, Unknown Now, what's up, man? What is up? Yeah, I'll look at Link on Binance, and then let me look at XRP here. Okay. Let's duplicate this one here. There we go.
Wait, let me finish this.
XRP ASD. Let's look on Binance. Guys, I've got to go here in about 15 minutes, okay? Just want to kind of give you a heads up on that. Trying to spend a little bit more time with my family. I've neglected them in a lot of ways with work and charting and things like that. So, trying to keep it balanced if I can, y'all. Hope you understand. Okay. There's a flat there. 3 wave there. 3 wave there. Looking for a... And that didn't make 90. So looking for a 3 wave move here. So guys, we just made a lower low. Okay, so here's the way I think about it, guys. Okay, so I look at what I see. I see a 3 wave there. I got a 3 wave there. 3 wave there. So this wave right here is a connecting wave, okay, to this structure, to this structure, okay? That's the way I'm looking at that, okay? So this structure right here should be interpreted all by itself as a 3 wave. This started as a 3 wave move like that. And then we had a 3 wave intermediate structure. Now we're going to get a boom, boom, boom like that. So this could be a 5-3-5. It could be a 3-3-5, or it could be a 3-3-3. That's basically all you can get, right? So here's that's the way I look at that. And so basically, I look at what I got here. This is definitely, no doubt about it, a 3 wave move. This is a 3 wave move right here, no doubt about that. And then so I'm expecting a 3 wave move here to the downside. The best way I can see that, I see a couple of ways that could happen. So basically, I'm looking, because this didn't come up to 90% of this wave, it can't be a 3-3-5. So it has to be a 3-3-3. So I'm looking for a 3 wave move on this last move. So the way I'm looking at it right now, there's 3. That could be 3. We need 3 to the downside. So boom, 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 like that. So looking pretty low, guys. Looking pretty low. If I throw an extension on that whole thing, I'm looking for a 1-to-1 extension from the top there of this correction. That's putting us down here at 5 cents, guys. Now, that's if I use log scale. If I use regular scale, we're off the charts. Okay, so log scale it is. Okay, to the 786, you got 97.097 cents. So this could come that low. Could just come to the 618 here at 15 cents. So 15 cents is the next fib to hit, guys. So I'd be watching 15 cents and then watch 9.97. Now let me throw another fib on there and see if there's anything with. Just run the fibs from this one right here. So if I get boom, run the fibs from right there to there. Okay, we've hit the 1-to-1. The 127 hits it as 15. So there's some confluence there with the 618 extension. There's confluence at 15 cents. I mean, I could always be wrong in my interpretation, so keep that in mind. Could always be incorrect. Is there any other way to look at that? It looks like 5 waves there, complete. Looks like 3 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We might just get a little dinky 5-3-5 there. That puts us 15.9. I mean, 15 cents keeps coming up. Now, another way this could form, we could get, guys, we could get this bounce right here. We could get this bounce right here. So we could get this right here, like that. And so that would give us a 3 wave move like that. And so if that happened, where would our fibs be? 15 cents. So, guys, 15 cents keeps coming up in the fibs. So I would watch 15 cents next. Unless we get an up move. We may get an up move first. Let me see if I can do a little analysis on these waves down here on the smaller time frame. See what we can get there. What is that? 3 wave, three-way. This is a 1, 2, 1. Okay. So either this is a three-wave up, three-wave down, and then we're going to get another three-wave up. That's a possibility. Okay. So if this is a three-wave move, then we got a three-wave move down. Now we're looking for a three-wave move up. Okay. And so that would give us our flat. This did come 90%, it looks like. Yeah, it came almost, not quite. It needs to come down a little bit further to tag the 90% retrace right here. So let's see. I'm on, let me see, regular. Okay, on regular, a small time frame, I did hit the 90%. So this could be a flat, guys, like I was telling you. We could get this up move from here on XRP. So if we get that up move on XRP, that's again pointing to an up move in Litecoin. Once we kind of come down here, we're probably going to come down and finish this wave. Ethereum got to come down and finish. So they all probably have to come down and finish one more hit, I would imagine. And then we're going to get a move to the upside. So we might get that long we're looking for, guys. We might get it. Okay. So we could get a wave like this. And there's our flat. Okay. And they generally go, they generally go to the 127, 1 to 1, 127, 1618. So 1 to 1 is right here at 24 cents, 25 cents, and 26.60. Okay? All right, there it is. Hey, K4, thanks, man. Appreciate it. It's I think a lot of people were feeling pretty bullish. It's hard to be a bear when everybody's a bull, but try to do it. Sideways for a week, then another dump. Christmas, then sideways again until we get bottom and maybe spiked by March. Hey, sounds good. Sounds good, Raid.
What are you doing in my fort?
Yeah, I'm still in my short position too, unknown now.
Yeah. With me? Tonight? I don't think it fit more than one people.
All right, let's see. Anything else we can look at, guys? Link. Somebody want to see Link. Let me look at Link, and then we'll have to call it a day, guys. If there's anything exciting tonight, I'll be back tonight later. We're gonna go out to eat as a family, and then after that, I'll be back later on and hang out with my kids, and maybe tonight late if it's worth anything. I'll go live again if there's anything fun, any new information that comes our way. Okay. I like lives. I really enjoy them. I enjoy getting to know you guys, see and talk to y'all. So it's fun. Let's see. Do some quick analysis on Link. You're on camera.
No, I'm not. Yes, I am.
Yes, he is. Say hello.
Hello.
All right. Yep. All right. That's enough. That's enough, buddy. All right. Okay. Let's see what we got going on. All right. Link.
Okay, Grace, you want to play Hangman? Listen to music? Hold on.
Yeah, I know this looks like an impulse wave. I guess it could be, but here's what I don't like about Link. This last wave was more like a three-wave structure.
Is it dead?
This still looks corrective. Maybe. It's deceptive. 5, 2. That could be 3, 4, 5. That could be a 5-wave impulse, guys. So not sure about that. Just the way it looks. But this could be a 5-wave impulse like that. That's the way I would count it. Some people might like to put the 3 there, but then what do you do with that? Okay, you got a 5 waves in here. I would like to say that this is probably more like the 5th wave of the third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, and Link. And then it looks like we've got an impulse to the downside now. So it just looks impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the question is, where do we go from here? So this looks like a completed 5 waves to me in Link. Let me go to the smaller time frame just to show you what I'm looking at there. So Link looks like a completed 5-wave move. When I start here at the top, put a little extension on that guy. Yeah, the 2618. So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 3-wave move up. Now the question is, what is this right here? Looks like a 3-wave move down. So if that's the case, a couple of things could happen here. We could get a corrective structure like that. Could get a flat structure like that, and that gives us our connecting wave, and then we get another 5 waves down to the bottom. Okay, or we go down in 5 waves from here. But either way, in my opinion, we have to be going down from here. Again, we could get this wave to the upside first, then down, or we could just come down from here. But either way, we've got more downside. It's not the time to be buying Link right now. Not to be time. So what are we getting here? Let me zoom in on these waves and see if I can give you any more definitive analysis on those waves. Oh, man. What are you?
8. Oh, that's not fair. Oh, wait, no, 7. It was 7. No, I think
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 waves, guys. That looks like 5 waves too. So 5, 3, might get another 5 up here, guys. I don't like the shape of it though. Hard to tell on that, guys. Not sure if you get that and then that, or this is just the beginning of a big wave down to the downside, because this looks like 5 waves. Down is the direction. This is not a safe trade. If it comes up here, short it if you can. If you get a 3-wave move to the upside like that, then you short from the top. Okay. Trading night school this week, yeah. Thursday night we'll do trading night school for sure. Yep. All right, let's do one final look, guys. I gotta go. One final look on Bitcoin, and then I gotta hit the road. All right, let's just do a final look on the small time frame here.
Okay, we're doing fire now. Okay.
What are you doing?
3? Are you counting 1, 2, 3? No. 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute, see what this wave is.
I messed up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.
It was not. Yeah, I was keeping track of myself, and I got 2 seconds.
That looks like a 3-wave. 3-wave 5 or 5, 3, 5. Is that a diagonal? Not really. Right now it's looking like a flat. Yeah, micro time frame's not giving me anything. I can't interpret it. I was hoping it might give me some kind of clue whether we're going to go down again right now or not. But overall, the macro's telling me we got another down move to go. So, hey guys, hope y'all have a fantastic evening. Sorry that was leave you a little underwhelming here. But let's see if Litecoin gives us anything. Yeah, we got that little rollover move, but then it just ate it back up. So we might just continue coming on down. We'll see. But I was waiting for this little rollover move, but I was expecting some follow through. So let's see if we get follow through. If we get upside, I don't know, guys. Pretty bearish. Wait for confirmation for the upside for sure. Wait for confirmation. All right, XRP. Hey, Brenda, scroll back just a couple of minutes. I just did XRP for you. Okay. All right. Just scroll back and you'll get it. You guys have a fantastic evening. Sorry for those of you just joining in. Rewind it. There's good analysis along the way. You guys have a fantastic night. See you in the Telegram group, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.